Good morning students, how are you all? So today I am going to explain 5th standard perimeter block 17, that is for measurement. What do you mean by perimeter? See here, the perimeter is the total length of the boundary. That, for example, if something is there, if one wall is there or something is book is there, small book or something small book is there, just you see the book or you take something, I will keep one thread here, again I will fully measurement of that from here to fully, and I will open that thread and I will see that what is the measurement of that. What is the measurement of that? That the measurement is, if you find out, that is nothing but perimeter. You see there, this is the brown color thread. So this thread, this is a circle. From here we are keeping the thread and a whole measurement we are taking, and after that you open the thread, that is nothing but the measurement of perimeter. Did you understand? The total length of the boundary of the outline is a closed figure. That perimeter is useful when we are putting a fence, boundary of the garden, fencing of the garden, that and all it is useful. Not only this, and so many things are there, it is useful of that. We are measuring the boundary of that, that is nothing but perimeter. Understood? And so many figures are given of that. Perimeter of a square, perimeter of rectangle, everything is given here. Perimeter of rectangle, length, breadth. This is length, this is breadth. So length is twice and breadth is also twice in a rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle formula is a perimeter of rectangle is equal to L first side, second side is breadth, third side is L, and fourth side is B. How many L are there? 2L. Plus how many B's are there? B. This is 1, that is 2B. So 2L plus 2B. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2L plus 2B is, what is the common in the both? 2 we are taken outside. What is the length? This is remaining here length, plus what is the remaining here? Breadth. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. So perimeter of a square, next perimeter of a square is equal to side into side. How many square means all the sides are equal. If you measure one side, equal to 4 sides. Perimeter of a square is equal to S, side, and side. Side plus side is equal to 4S. S plus S is equal to 4S. Understood? Now, so here the first mean I have given in that, using that textbook. You have to copy from through the textbook, you have to write in your classwork also. Using the thread to find out the boundary of the given of the measurement. Just you keep here that thread and measure that here to here. That you write the answer. Its length is 2 cm, 1 cm, 3 cm, how much it is. And here you keep the thread and measure from here to here and come back again to the same point, initial point. That is also we can write. You have to write the definition first, here to here. Okay. Next, this you have to write the measurement. Find the perimeter of the given shapes. I will explain in the sheets how to find this. Okay. Next, based on I will explain you here only. Now you see the first one. Find the perimeter of the given shapes. First question. The given triangle 4 cm, 5 cm and 8 cm. AB, BC. Now we have to find perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA is equal to under is equal to. Now AB is how much? AB is 4 cm. 4. BC is how much? BC 8 cm. centimeter. We have to mention here. CA 5 centimeter. So if we add this addition, 8 plus 4 is 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19. 12 plus 5 is 12 plus 5 is 17, sorry, 17 centimeter. Did you got understood? Second one, diagram only given. See, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now the sides also we are given. 12 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter here. Here 8 centimeter. I am giving the one question also, you remember here. See. Now, see here, perimeter P is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. Now perimeter P is equal to AB is the what is the side? 12 centimeter plus BC 15 centimeter, CD 6 centimeter, DE 6 centimeter. This is not given. This is 7 centimeter. D is 7 centimeter. Plus centimeter one right, left right. AF 6 centimeter plus FA 8 centimeter. If we add this full, this you see 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 2, 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 24 plus 8 32, 22 plus 8 32, 34 plus C 12, this 12 4 24, 24 plus 8 32, 32 plus 7 32 plus 7 39, 39 plus 15, 39 plus 15 39, 44, 54 centimeter. This is the answer of that. You can copy in your classwork also. Okay. The first one. Now you can see and you can pause the video and note it down. Third one. A, B, C, D, E. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 9 centimeter. Now you have to take perimeter P is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA. This is the value. Now you put the value. AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, CD 9 plus DE 4 plus EA 5. Perimeter P is equal to, so 8, so 9, 9, 9. 4 plus 5, 9, 9, 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 3 is 27 centimeter. This is the answer of it. Okay. Now you can copy also. Fourth one. Okay. Now you see. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now you see perimeter 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. Now P is equal to AB is 3 centimeter, BC is 2 centimeter, CD is 5 centimeter, D is 5 centimeter, again 2 centimeter, here to here, plus 3 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Hexagon. 4, 5, 6. See here. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5 is 20 centimeter. Did you got understood? Okay. Now you can copy in your classwork also. Okay. Next, fifth one. Now you see, this is the fifth one given diagram. Okay, P is equal to AB. We can take any variable, no problem. Okay, in place of any variable we can keep BC plus CD plus DE plus EL. AB, BC, CD, DE, EL. Perimeter is equal to length we are measuring. AB is 8 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter, CD is 12 centimeter. Now this is also 8 centimeter we have to take. Okay, 8 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. 20. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 7 plus 7, 14. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 14, how much? 30, 38. 38 centimeter. Now you can note it down also. Sixth one I am going to explain. Now you see. So this is the given figure. AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8, CD is 6 centimeter, just AB is equal to CD. Then ED is 2 centimeter, this is 3, this is 4, this is 2. Okay. Now perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus EFG plus GH plus HL. Like that we have to take AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH and AH. AB is 6 centimeter plus BC is 8, CD is 6 centimeter, DE is 2 centimeter, EF is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we add these all, see 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. We can take this is 20, 25, 30, 34. This is 34 centimeter. These 6 sums I have given in the first main. You have to solve by itself. Next main I am going to explain you all. Okay, you can copy in that. Now listen. Second main, find the perimeter of a rectangle. We have to find the perimeter. This is difference. So find the perimeter is different. Find the perimeter of a rectangle, which will be a formula. First question is given. Length is equal to 6 cm and breadth is 4 cm. Okay, we have to write answer. Perimeter of rectangle formula is there first. I told you perimeter of a rectangle. Just now I told before, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Formula. This is the formula. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. According to the formula, we have to put values 2. We are finding the perimeter of a rectangle. 2 as it is. Bracket. L means wall length. L is length. 6 cm plus breadth B. B is breadth. Breadth is how much? 4 cm. Outside centimeter. 2. In bracket addition is there. Add it. 6 plus 4 is 10 cm. So 2 tens are multiply. 2 tens are 20 cm. This is the first one answer. You can note it down. Okay. Second question. Length is equal to 12 cm and breadth is equal to 8 cm. Now formula. We have to write each sum, we have to mention the formula. In each sum we have to mention. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now 2, what is the length? Length is 12 and plus breadth is 8 cm. Bracket centimeter outside. 2. 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. How many got? 40 centimeter. Did you got understood? Now you can copy also. Same. Next, third one. Length. Length is equal to 24 centimeter and breadth is equal to 16 centimeter. Formula we have to put. Perimeter of a rectangle into L plus B. 2. What is the length? Length is 24 centimeter. Plus what is the breadth? 16 centimeters. 2. This you add it and put in a bracket. 20, 30, 40. 40 centimeter. 4 2s are 2 4s are 8 and 2 zeros are 0. 80 centimeter. This is the C1 we are done. Now you can copy also in that your class work. Okay. Now the D1. Length is equal to 25 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 35 centimeter. Now answer. First we have to put the formula. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 as it is. Under is equal to under is equal to. Length is 25 centimeter. What is the breadth? Breadth is 35 centimeter. Centimeter outside. 2. Both add 30, 30, 60 centimeter. Both add 60. 2 6 are 12. 2 zeros are 0 centimeter. 4 sums over. Now you can copy in your class of 4 also. Now the next question. Length is 50 centimeter and breadth is 70. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. This is the formula. Now 2 as it is. Length 50 centimeter and breadth plus breadth 70. centimeter outside. 2 as it is. Both you add 50 plus 70 is 120. 5 plus 7 is 12 and common 0 we are taken. 12 twos are 24. 2 zeros are 0. 240 centimeter. Write off. E after E is there, you write off. Next F I will explain here. Length is equal to 75 centimeter. And breadth is equal to 25 centimeter. Now you see, formula we have to write. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 as it is. Length 75 centimeter. Plus breadth 25 centimeter. Common centimeter outside. 2. Both add 100 centimeter. 2 ones are 2. This 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0 centimeter. Finish. This is all we have done in the second and 6 also. We have to solve by itself remaining.